Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open your Angular app in Chrome and open DevTools to run Lighthouse quickly. Click Audits, choose Mobile or Desktop, then start an analysis. Alternatively, install the Lighthouse CLI globally and run Lighthouse against a URL. Use flags for throttling, form factor, and output format when running the CLI. Emulate network and CPU slowdown to simulate real user conditions during tests. Always clear browser cache between runs to avoid false positives in metrics. Start by reviewing performance scores and their underlying metrics for priorities. Look specifically at first contentful paint and largest contentful paint timings. Check time to interactive and total blocking time to judge interactivity health. Inspect opportunities to see estimated savings in seconds and kilobytes for each fix. Examine diagnostics for render blocking scripts, unused code, and inefficient images. Use these findings to form a prioritized list of concrete optimizations for the Angular app. Start fixes by reducing Angular bundle size through code splitting and lazy loading. Enable production builds with AOT, Build Optimizer, and tree shaking to drop unused code. Optimize assets by compressing images and serving WebP and by minimizing third-party scripts. Use preconnect and rel equals preload for critical resources to speed up fetches. Add Lighthouse CI to your CI pipeline and set performance budgets to block regressions automatically. Monitor scores and iterate on the highest impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.